shut up! Gosh. I still don't see nothing but dirt.
Huh? Why I say 14 miles? This is Vegas, right? I ain't seeing things.
Oh, Apple lives over here.
Who?
Apple. Huh?
She live in Vegas?
Yeah, they moved. What is that? Electric Daisy. What is that? Oh, that's a carnival. You ain't going there. Will you drive faster? You driving like a grandma.
Cause I'm trying to.
See, that's the plane we could have took.
What plane?
That plane right there. Instead of in this car with you.
Viva Las Vegas.
Shut up. Daddy, if you don't drive. Oh, the blue man. Huh?
You gonna see that?
No, we always see them. That's scary. Oh, that's where we need to go. Right there, right there. You missed it. It's a diamond store.
Free buffet. Where that at? Free.
Lord.
What is this I'm looking at? I don't even know this place no more. When's the last time I've been here?
It looks empty. Maybe if you drive faster, you'll actually see things. Where's the sign?
Viva! This ain't Vegas.
Oh, the light. Oh. Okay, maybe it's not.
What is this?
Lord, you're making me record this, man.
Do I get off?
No, don't get off. This is South Point.
Oh, so this is South Point.
Oh, this is pretty.
That's new. Gotta check that.
Why is it separate? It's new? They just built it? Okay, that better be Las Vegas. I'm not listening to you no more. You making me waste my stuff.
This is Vegas.
This
Just
is
expanded it far out. Oh, now.
why?
All those are new buildings.
Then why'd you say Vegas? Like,
That's why I was like, what is South Point? What is it?
This was the longest drive ever. Especially in this car with you. What time is it? We got here at 11. And what time is it? 7:30?
I don't know what I get off.
Oh, that is so cool. The thing just changed.
That's where we want to go. Mandalay Bay. Mandalay Bay. Don't forget that movie.
Okay, I'll forget it. I'll record it. Wait, we're going there now? Because I want to go to the hotel.
Is we in Vegas yet?
Outdoor World. Wait, is that it? Ooh, what is that? TGIT, what's that? TGIT.
Oh, Rihanna.
Lord.
Rihanna.
Nah, it's Michael Jackson. Who do you think it is? Wait, is she coming out here?
What's that?
It's a concert.
It's over.
Lord Jesus. Wait, isn't that the same?
Where is Vegas?
Right there.
We gonna go to Salt Lake.
13 miles from here. Darling. But I might just let them on my shoes tonight. I might just hold me in my clothes tonight. Oh, Lord Jesus. Are we on the freeway or on the street? Because you are driving slow. You need to hurry up, because this thing is wasting my time. Jabberwocky. Grab somebody, tell them, hey, give it everything tonight. Give it everything tonight. Give it everything tonight. Give it everything tonight.
It was Mandalay Bay, right?
Huh?
Did it say free?
93.1.
Why is everything with you free with Q pounds or something? You are cheap.
That's the first.
The cheapest dad I ever knew. Oh my gosh, do we need MapQuest or something?
Why?
Cause you don't know where you going.
How I get off this stupid freeway?
Oh, Daddy, don't drive into this. Don't drive into this. Oh, that was cool. Did you see that? Like there's a smoke and then you just, huh?
They don't let you get on.
There's an exit right there.
It's closed.
Oh, man, you just gonna have to drive to Salt Lake City and then turn around.
What is the tank?
There's a world out there. Michael Jackson, December 3rd to the 27th. Oh, my eyes burning. Why doesn't it? It doesn't even look like Vegas. It looks like a normal town.
Study.
I ain't going on that.
Stay in Mandalay Bay.
How come you don't know where you going?
Why ain't none of the cars going this way?
Cause nobody want to go this way. Nobody know where they're going. Oh, they're going to the hotels over there. You don't have to worry about the traffic. There it is.
Where, what?
Mandalay Bay Convention Center.
What did it say about convention center?
It says it right. That's the big sign right there. Ooh, you blind, Lord Jesus.
What did it say about it? What are you
It
telling
is-
me about it?
I'm just telling you that's where it is.
What is?
Don't talk to me. You get on my nerves. See, you go in here. I want to go to the Lion King musical. Let's go there. No, it's not free.
See sign. Take pictures.
I'm not taking the picture. I'm recording.
So what is that smell?
It's called gasoline.
Is that you?
Very funny, but you need to close your mouth. Get you some gum or something.
What is it you recording? Ain't nothing to record.
I'm waiting. I've been recording this whole
to
time.
see the boys
It was
on
funny.
tour at MGM Grand Garden Arena July 30th with our winner Javier Colon. He was saying 93.1 all the hits.
Check that out, what they playing. That's my song. That's my song. Where my drink, I've been
This better be
waiting.
better.
just turned.
Now what I do?
Yay! Stop! Stop! There you go. There's a turning sign. You just read the light.
You told me to go.
But you just read the light at the last minute.
He ran into me. Glad it's not.
Okay, put it on 97. Ooh, I got the hiccups. I see lots of black people walking. Ew, what is that? Poo-poo, bitch. Over.
Diva!
Is that a building? Is that a building? Is that a building?
What?
The pyramid.
Yeah.
It is?
Lecture.
How come we not staying there?
Because it's a mess.
Where's Caesar's? 1 o'clock. 2. Daddy, you know I'm recording, and I'm gonna put this on Facebook, so be quiet. There's a whole bunch of people walking. What are you looking at? You can take the car. I'm not walking up in this heat. Oh no. Oh, let me see. They don't have the trolley out here.
It's free.
Oh, let's take that. That bus thing.
That look expensive.
Don't worry about the price.
Oh,
I'll pay for it.
Limo then. I want a limo.
Okay, then we gonna get on it and then